Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It is your girl Shana Navassier. I hope you all are doing well. I want to first say thank you guys so much for your well wishes on my 2 previous videos. I wasn't feeling that well. I am back to normal, feeling good and feeling like myself again. I wanted to just sit down and check in with you guys and see how you all are doing. This will, I guess, be a bonus video, like Monday, sort of a motivation. Just wanted to check in, see how everyone is doing. Please feel free to comment below. Let me know if you have anything going on, you want to express anything, share anything with us. We're a community. I love my subscribers. You guys are thebomb.com, and I definitely feel like we do confide in each other, and we have a very safe place here. So if you need to talk about anything, please drop a comment below and we'll all pitch in and respond. I just wanted to come on here and say, you know, if you're going through a tough time, just hang in there. I know that 2019 has a lot of expectations for a lot of people, and everyone wants it to be like the best year of their lives. And honestly, the year doesn't change anything unless you change. And so I just want to prompt you all to make sure that you set your intentions for the year. You know, we did the vision board earlier this year, and we wrote down what we wanted to accomplish. But in addition to that, I think it's important to set your intentions through mindful meditation. And you might say, like, what is that? How do you achieve that? Mindful meditation is kind of just sitting still, and you want to envision what you want in reality in your mind, and you want to make it seem as though you already have it. I know another YouTuber by the name of Infinite Waters. Some of you all may be familiar with him, but he is one of the influencers that I listen to quite frequently to learn more about mindful meditation. He deals with a lot. He doesn't deal with a lot. He talks about a lot of things that are conscious minded, and it really does help me to be centered and to be at peace and to raise my vibrations, raise my self-awareness and my self-esteem. If you're interested in him, I'll have some of his videos that I personally would recommend down in the comment section. Infinite Waters is amazing, and he has helped me get through some of the most toughest times of my life. But let's just revert back to what I was beginning to say. Set your intentions for what you want. So don't just, you know, have this these thoughts are just, these things are just gonna happen, and I said it, I wrote it down, and it's just a one-time thing. Like, in order to achieve what you really want out of life, it's a constant effort to continue to work on what you want to manifest. For me, it's 80% work and 20% visioning in mindful meditation. I work my butt off. Some of you know already, I have a job, I do YouTube. YouTube is so much work. I love it though. I haven't been this happy on YouTube in a long time, probably well over a year. Last year, 2018, was very rough for me on YouTube. I was not present that much. My views fell off drastically, and I just lost motivation, to be honest. But this year, I feel a fire. I feel a newness in YouTube for me, and I feel like I'm gonna go somewhere really far on YouTube if I continue to be consistent and I continue to be innovative and creative in what I'm doing. So I'm setting my intentions with 80% work, 20% of visioning and powerful, positive, mindful thinking. And I feel like with those 2 things, I'll definitely manifest, okay? So I've already began to manifest some of the things from my vision board, i.e. this couch right here. You guys saw in there I had a silver or a gray couch on my vision board, and I thank God I was able to get it literally like a few days, a week maybe after I put that video out. I manifested that and it came to light. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it definitely is the right color. It's very comfortable. I love this couch, so I'm very thankful that, like, I'm already beginning to manifest some of the things that I put on my vision board. That's one of them. What else is new? The painting behind me. if you guys follow me on Instagram, I had a huge haul from Hobby Lobby, and these paintings were 50% off. And I took on a project and I kind of shot it on my Instagram feed and or my Instagram stories, and I painted them silver, and the inside it kind of reflects like a silver grayish tone. They were gold originally, but they're the right color scheme. Like I told you, my home is gray, white, and a pop of pink, so this fits in beautiful. And I'm definitely going to do a apartment tour of some sort sometime soon, maybe even just I'm so shy and I don't like flossing or anything like that. I do love my home. It's a dream come true. This is the first home that I've actually like put an effort to do things a la carte and really figure out what I wanted, and it feels really good. I'm really loving my home. It's a beautiful place to be at, and I'm really thankful. And that's another thing too, with manifesting everything that you intended to manifest in 2019, like just gratitude. Like everything we have is such a blessing. To sit on this couch is a blessing. To be alive is such a blessing, and I think that oftentimes we take things for granted and we don't appreciate like the very small things, you know? Like I look around my home sometimes and I'm like, not even just like the material stuff, but like just being in an apartment, having a roof over my head. I know that sounds so cliche, but truly like I'm really blessed to have somewhere to sleep at night. You know, there's so many people who are without homes, and in this government shutdown, it could be so much worse. And so I just like make sure that I say thank you to God and the universe like every single day, just consistently operate in a spirit of just thankfulness and gratitude. That's another huge factor to getting what you want. It's just being grateful for what you already have. Truly, I'm very blessed, and I'm so thankful for just life. You know, we always like, I want this, I want that, and I want all these things, and it's just like, man, I'm happy really with where I'm at. And I've worked my butt off to get to where I'm at. I mean, I have worked my butt off, and I know that I want to go like really up to the top this year. I really do. And just in this beginning of the year, I'm just really grateful for where I'm at. So yeah, I'm just really blessed. And so are you guys. You know, just count your blessings. Count the people around you, even if they get on your nerves or, you know, just agitate you every now and then. Sometimes you just gotta sit back like, you know what, that person ain't that bad, you know. So just count your blessings, be a blessing. I'm trying my hardest to be a blessing to everyone, give back as I give, and you know, be open to receiving as well. That's another key element to manifestation. It's just being open to just newness. You never know what can happen in the future. You just never know. Change is not easy. Change is painful. Change is hard. But in order to get where you want to be at in life, you're going to have to change in some way, fashion, or form. And it's going to take a little bit of pain to get there. So I encourage you to not only just write those goals and dreams down, but change that motivation from like 20% of doing to 80%. Stop chilling, stop relaxing, watching TV. I have a TV in my living room. I do not watch it, I promise you. If I do, it's on in the background. I just listen to it while I'm walking around the house. You know, I really try my hardest to, I grind. I wish I could do a vlog one day, like y'all could see me just go to work, my 9 to 5, come home, like eat something really quick, hop in the recording place, record a video, edit it all the same day, go to sleep at like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, get up at 6:30 and go back to work, you know, and balancing other things in the midst of that. I'm a beast, you know, but you gotta be in order to get what you want out of life. You gotta work hard. And you gotta cut the bull, cut the crap, cut the stuff that you know you're not supposed to be doing, the behaviors that you're carrying into the new year. Definitely work on them. I have so much to learn. I have so many areas I need to grow in. I consider myself to be very mature for my age, but there's a lot I still need to work on. I'm not perfect by any means necessary. So that is my chit chat. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this has encouraged you. Don't give up on your dreams. Make sure that you're pursuing everything that you want to pursue, and go get it. Go get it. No one's going to hand it to you. Nobody at all. Don't get lazy. Get motivated. If you were planning on getting in the gym already in 2019 and if you haven't done so, psychology says that the clock is already ticked and it's already passed. But I say start fresh. Make it your plan today to get to that gym. Start your business plan. Just start. Just go. Manifest. Get it. God has already given us everything that we already need to have what we want. It's already inside of you. So just push it out, push past the fear, and just do it. That's all I got for today's video. I hope this has encouraged you. If you like this video and you have enjoyed it, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was fun. Just wanted to pop another video in for the week and give you guys some motivation. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next DIY. Have a blessed day. Bye.